I always wonder why English has so many tenses. Let's find out. English has a relatively large number of tenses compared to some of other languages. Due to its historical development, influences from different linguistic sources, and its evolving grammatical structure. Historical development. English has evolved from Old English to Middle English, then to Modern English over time. During this evolution, the language went through significant changes in its grammar, vocabulary, and sentence structure. Grammatical borrowing. English has borrowed vocabulary and grammatical features from various languages. For instance, the French influence during the Middle English period introduced new verb forms and tense constructions to English. Verbal aspect. English expresses not only time but also aspect, which refers to the way an action or event is viewed in relation to its completion or duration. The combination of different aspects, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, with various tenses allows for expressions of time and aspect in English. The complexity of the tense system in English reflects the language's rich history and the influences it has absorbed over time. Hope this content was interesting. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content.